Hello, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on where in the world you are. So, this is Karsha with the Boutique Accounting Limited, also operating the Cash Lab. So, I'm a certified professional accountant, certified management accountant, and our goal is to empower small and medium-sized business owners with the goal of just mastering all the areas of their business, ultimately getting cash into their bank accounts. So yesterday I was talking to one of my business colleagues about the different types of business structures. And I thought it would be a good topic to hop on just to talk to you guys about the different types of business structures, because at times you might be in your business already or deciding to start a business, and you might be thinking, what is the best business structure for you? You might be aware of the various business structures, but you're still probably like, okay, what's the best business structure for me? So just a few things to bear in mind when you're going to choose your business structure. Think about, where do you see your business in another few years, in 5 years down the line, in 10 years down the line? Where do you see your business? Another thing you have to bear in mind are the tax implications. So that takes us into the whole realm of tax planning. What are the tax benefits? What are the tax breaks that you might get, depending on, of course, the various laws in your country, but also the type of business structure that you choose. So I'm going to now talk about the main business structures that we have. We have the sole proprietor, the one-man business, we have a partnership, and we also have the limited liability company, or the C Corp company. We do have other business structures such as charity organizations, not-for-profits, and collaborations, but those are similar, will have similar benefits, similar setups as the ones I'm going to be talking about now. So for the sole proprietorship, that's basically where you have one person operating the business. So you are the business owner and the business is operated by you. So there's no separate demarcation between the business and yourself as the owner or the operator. So for tax purposes, whatever profit or loss the business makes, that is going to be reported on your personal tax return, your individual tax return. Another thing to bear in mind is that that business is just operated by you as the owner. So it's not a separate legal entity. So if there are any legal cases, any legal implications, that is going to be done towards you as the owner. So there's no separation between the business and you. The other one I want us to talk about is the partnership. So the partnership is where you have two or more persons coming together with the sole intention to make a profit, right, in business. So one of the key things I want you to remember when you're going to start a partnership is, who are you starting this partnership with? Is the person trustworthy? Are they reliable? Is it somebody who has the same moral values as you, who has the same, skill set? I mean, you can all come to the table with different things, but just bear in mind, are you a good fit to work together? And it's going to be hard to, of course, know if you're going to be a good fit together, especially if you haven't worked together before. So one of the things that can help minimize disruption and any unforeseen disagreements is the drafting of a partnership agreement. It's best to have this agreement written so that you can always go back, it's in writing, and it's signed by the various persons involved, versus just verbally saying stuff, because sometimes you might say this and there are misunderstandings, you don't remember what was said, how it can all go. So some of the key things to have in your partnership agreement: how are you going to share profits and losses? Is it going to be 50